This is the story ahead, and telling it might make me break, but I do it anyway. This chapter's about how you said I was nobody else. Then you got up and went to her house. You guys always let me out. I still have the letter you wrote when you tell me that I was the only girl you never wanted in your life. I guess my fans were right. Each night goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. You give me your word and worry about her. My love went down, but you love me first. Said you never hurt me, but here we are. Oh, you swore I'll never stand. How could you be so reckless with my heart? You shaking and out of my heart like a hotel, and she might be perfect, oh well. I hope you both go to hell. I still have the letter you wrote when you told me that I was the only girl you never wanted in your life. I guess my fans were right. Each day goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. Give me your word and worry about her. My love went down, but you love me first. Said you never hurt me, but here we are. Oh, you swore I'll never stand. How could you be so reckless with my heart? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless with someone hurt? Hey, this is the story ahead, but I told it to come with the pain. I'm so sorry if you can't